We have some new developments today in the case of a Sacramento refugee. Omar Amin has been cleared of charges in the killing of an Iraqi police officer, but he is still fighting to stay here in the United States. Immigration and Customs Enforcement claims Sacramento auto mechanic Omar Amin lied on his refugee application to get into the U.S. This is a case KCRA 3 Investigates has been following since Amin's arrest 3 years ago. Back in 2018, Amin was arrested suspected of murdering an Iraqi police officer. He beat that case against him. KCRA 3's Investigates Brittany Johnson has been monitoring an immigration court hearing underway today. So, Brittany, what's the latest? What are we learning?
Well, Lisa, you know this is the latest in an ongoing series of hearings that has been going on for months. Now, today's hearing did start with that cross-examination of Steven Zeiger with Immigration Services. Now, Amin was interviewed by Zeiger before gaining entry into the United States. So during cross-examination, Zeiger talked about the refugee application and interview process, in which we did learn about different trainings immigration workers do undergo to ensure applicants are credible, including specific questions asked to applicants from Iraq, which is where Amin is from, to ensure they have no ties to any terrorist organizations. Now, Amin did clear his refugee interview, and he was able to gain entry into the United States. Lisa?
So the judge has to decide if Omar Amin did lie on his refugee application to gain entry into the U.S. When can we expect the ruling on that, Brittany?
That is the big question everyone wants answered, Lisa. Omar Amin, you know he's been in custody since his arrest in 2018, so the judge does say she does want to move swiftly. So he is currently being held in an ICE detention facility in McFarland, and the judge is hoping to wrap up cross-examination and testimony during hearings this week, and then rule on the admissibility of documents the Department of Homeland Security wants the court to consider as evidence. So just a few more housekeeping items before we do get that ruling, Lisa.
All right, Brittany, I know you'll be following it for us. Thank you so much.